In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set deal stage pipelines in HubSpot CRM. If you're new to HubSpot or looking to refine your sales processes, understanding pipelines is crucial for managing your deals effectively. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set this up in just a few simple steps. To get started, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. Once you're on your HubSpot homepage, you'll want to look at the sidebar on the left. Here, you'll find a section labeled CRM. This is your go-to place for managing all customer relationship management activities. Click on it to expand the options available. Next, you'll see an option called Deals. Go ahead and click on that. The Deals section is where you can view all your sales opportunities, and it's vital for tracking the progress of your sales team. Now, once you're in the Deals section, you should notice another option that says Deals Pipeline. It's a crucial part of setting up your sales process as it allows you to visualize where each deal stands in your sales funnel. Click on Deals Pipeline. At this point, you'll be looking at your current pipelines, if any have been set up already. To make changes or set up a new pipeline, you need to look for the Edit Pipeline option. Click on Edit Pipeline to enter the settings area where you can customize these pipelines to better fit your unique sales process. Inside the pipeline settings, you'll have the flexibility to tailor each stage of your sales process. This is particularly useful if your sales process involves multiple steps or if different teams handle different stages of a deal. It's important to note that creating a new pipeline is a feature available only with a paid subscription. If you have a basic or free plan, you might be limited in how many pipelines you can create. Once in the settings, you can rename stages, add new stages, or even reorder them according to your needs. This customization allows you to track your deals more accurately and ensure that every team member is on the same page regarding where each deal stands. After you've made all necessary adjustments, don't forget to save your changes to ensure your pipeline reflects your intended sales process. By following these steps, you'll have set up your deal stage pipeline in HubSpot CRM, allowing you to efficiently manage your sales opportunities and move them through the funnel effectively. Remember, a well-structured pipeline is key to maintaining an organized sales process and ensuring your team can follow up on opportunities swiftly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your deal stage pipelines in HubSpot CRM. Keep exploring other features to further enhance your CRM capabilities. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.